When the accident happened, I was making a left-hand turn with a green arrow. It was kind of raining. The other person didn't see the red light. They T-boned me and I spun around and landed with another vehicle under the back end of my truck.
Well, she ended up having a herniated disc in the neck, but she didn't know it at the time. The doctor initially thought that she just had a neck sprain or strain, but later an MRI revealed that a disc in the neck was in fact herniated. And I think she ended up having a 2-level fusion done, which was quite an extensive surgery.
I saw that I wasn't getting much help from the insurance company. I was without a vehicle, without a job, had a sprained neck. So I called a lawyer and he took my case. However, each time I would call him, he didn't take my calls. And I would even go to his office and they didn't have time to see me. And this went on for many months.
When she called down here, she was in need of help. Her prior lawyer had not been very responsive to her concerns. And so I met with her and went over everything and decided to take the case to try to help her.
Mr. Talmadge would return my calls. Not only that, he would call me and tell me, keep me up to date with what was going on.
We figured out pretty quick we weren't going to be able to settle the case without filing a lawsuit, so we went ahead and filed a lawsuit. We felt it was a very strong case and that we were willing to go all the way to a jury in this county if necessary.
He helped me all the way through the case. He gave me a lot of support. Communication was open. There was a lot of integrity, a lot of faith. He was just wonderful in helping me through the case.
Vicki's case is something that I'm proud about. It was kind of a high point of my law practice. You know, there's certainly been cases that have settled for higher amounts that were more high-profile situations, but with her, I really feel like I made a difference in her life. I think that without our help, she would have been jerked around by her insurance company, and we did for her what a lawyer's supposed to do.
Mr. Dan Talmadge and Mr. Mark Andrews, they did a fantastic job of representing me, and we really had a good outcome. It was a victory.